to drop or to drop by? What's the difference? To drop means to fall, or to let something fall, or to go down. To drop by means to visit someone briefly, often without planning ahead. Now let's listen to a short story where we use both of them. After a long day at work, Emma was finally on her way home when she stopped at a local Italian pizza shop and bought 2 large pizzas. One had vegetables and the other had mushrooms and ham. They smell amazing. Just don't drop them, she whispered, smiling to herself. As Emma was about to open the front door of her apartment, the phone started ringing. It was her friend Jake. "Hi Emma, I was in your neighborhood. Do you mind if I drop by for a few minutes?" "Excellent! I just bought 2 pizzas," Emma replied. "Great! I'll drop by in about 5 minutes. See you soon." Suddenly, her neighbor's little dog ran into the hallway. The happy little creature wagged its tail and jumped in front of the young woman. She tried to keep her balance, but one pizza slipped from her hands and landed cheese side down. "Oh no!" Emma exclaimed. The little dog looked at the pizza with great interest. The owner quickly picked up the dog. "I'm so sorry," the neighbor said. "He gets excited when he smells pizza." Emma sighed. "It's okay. I guess the pizza wanted to meet the floor." A few minutes later, Jake arrived carrying a small chocolate cake. "I brought dessert." Emma smiled and showed him the open pizza box. "Perfect timing. I just dropped dinner." Jake looked at the pizza for a second. "I think the floor enjoyed it." "It certainly did," Emma said with a smile. "I'm just glad I didn't drop both of them." Jake laughed. "If I hadn't decided to drop by, you would have been eating pizza alone." Emma smiled. "Maybe, but next time I'm ordering 3 pizzas." "That's a much better plan," Jake said.